Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are here at Art of Animation and we got upgraded from the Little Mermaid room to the Lion King suite. Now we've never stayed in the Lion King suite. We did stay in Cars multiple times and we did stay in the Little Mermaid, I think also twice maybe, but never in the Lion King. So I'm so excited to share this beautiful room with you. And we got upgraded. Did I just say that? I forgot. I'm tired. We just arrived after driving for a day and a half. Anyways, let me flip the camera and show you this beautiful room. Oh my God, I'm so excited, so grateful and so thankful that we got upgraded. Okay, so this is where you walk in. This is your door. And right here you have your table, and this is a bed that pulls down. I'm gonna ask my son to help me once I'm done with the tour. And this is your living area, which is really nice and really spacious. So this is your living room area. It's a pull-out couch and your little kitchenette. This is a refrigerator. A lot of them are beverage coolers, but this one is a fridge. You do have a microwave, which is convenient, and they do give you some utensils and plastic things. I'm obsessed with these lamps. How beautiful are they? Stunning. You have Hey Disney. As I've mentioned, this pulls out. You have this beautiful area, lots of storage, extra pillow blanket, more storage, hanging space right here, which is so good. This is our view. We got like side garden view, I guess, and then a little bit of the parking lot over there. These curtains are stunning. So you have so much space. Like, I absolutely love it. And this room does have 2 bathrooms. So this is your first one. Let me turn on the light. Pretty roomy, pretty spacious. And then your toilet and shower. And you got a beautiful sunset, complimentary products. And these guys, how cute are they? You have a mirror. Very, very nice. This also has 2 nightstands. As I said, I will ask my son to help me pull this open so you guys can see. Now let's go in here. So this is the actual bedroom, a queen size bed. You have 2 nightstands. Again, those gorgeous lamps. Beautiful artwork everywhere. Huge TV, dresser. Look at the floor. Like, I can't. There's so much details. It's unbelievable. You also have here extra pillow and blanket. You have your safe, luggage rack, and then you have your second bathroom. This one is also beautiful with the sunset. Sorry, the vent went off. And you have your vanity space here. Lots of storage, big mirror, full-size mirror, hooks. So you could definitely a lot of space here. I love it. I am so happy we got upgraded. Oh my goodness, I am so happy. Okay, so Aiden is demonstrating. So you have 4 chairs, which is great. I love how they utilize the space. And this is so cute. Who's sleeping here?
Me.
That's right. Aiden loves these pull downs. Let's see, who do you have in there? Oh my God, stop. That was a little loud. That is, oh, and the lights. It actually works this time.
Yeah, the last few times it hasn't worked at all.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
I absolutely love this. This is so cute. So I hope you guys like this little video. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this really quick room tour. We are so excited to stay here. As I've mentioned, it's our first time in this room, but not in this resort. We love, 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 love Art of Animation. We're gonna settle in, freshen up from our crazy road trip, and go explore the resort, probably get something to eat. So definitely subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell so you'll be notified every single time I upload a new video, and I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.